Hey guys, welcome to Adam's Bike Build YouTube channel. Alright, so here we have the first bike on the channel, 2008 Ramrodder, 2008 Eastern Ramrodder. So I saved this bike probably about a month ago from going to the dump. Someone was throwing it out. It was in pieces, pretty much as it was now, except there's no back rim. I found the rims in the pile he was throwing out. The chain was rusted stiff, so I got cut off, new chain on. But yeah, I played around, I put the back on because I like going with the big 20 by 2.4s. I had to see if it would fit, and it just does. So that's one thing you got to be careful about, tyre sizes, depending on the type of bike you have. So this one's getting on now. It's still got plenty of life in it. What else? Oh, the seat. The seat's pretty cooked. It's an original seat. It's still a pretty nice bike. I don't know why someone would be throwing this out. All original Eastern. Really nice bike back in its day. We can still make it nice. That's what all these parts are for. Oof. Yeah, so pretty much what I'll be doing on these videos, I'm going to try and make them pretty short and sweet. Pretty much just a before and after. And depending on the condition of the bike too. So this one, I'm probably going to keep it for myself. That's why I've got some bigger bars, grips, bigger tyres, new seat. If I was gonna, otherwise I'd probably just clean it up, throw some grips on it. It came with not bad tyres. I'd leave it all original, probably sell it, but this one's getting a little bit of treatment. So basically what I'll be doing, I've already fitted the 2.4s, so good to go. So that's what my bikes are pretty much will come out with most of the time. Big tyres, big bars, the longer grips. Check them stickers out. Yeah, so I'll do a before and after and the costs and everything at the end. pretty lucky with this. I was going to run out to my parts shop the other day where I get these bars from. Shout out to Lawton, Giant at Lawton. They got all the any BMX park you want. That shop's awesome. But I thought, I'll suss the old gum trees out first. And then see what's on there. And happened to come across this bike. New 2.4s. Tubes, chain, seat. So I'll let you know how much that was after I've got this thing together. But let's throw some new parts of this thing and give it another go. I'm glad I got this thing saved from the tip. This thing's pretty sick. So, oof. 9-inch salts are sick. Yeah, alright. I'll stop talking shit. I'll get this thing together and we'll have a look at it. Alright, peace. See you soon. Alright, boys, it's been a minute. The 08 Eastern Ramrodder, she's all done, so let's go suss him out. Let's see what we came up with. Oof, that's nice. Alright, didn't come out too bad. And for the money I spent too. So that's going to be the, like I said before, what I'm trying to do. Find stuff for free, or I'll throw someone an offer on Gumtree, Marketplace or whatever. Bring it back to the shop here and customise it the way I like my bikes. That's what I want to get across to you guys too. You could, I suppose, I could go out too, buy a used bike, ready to ride. I don't know, I just like making things my own. I don't know, it's hard to describe. It'd be like bringing someone's, even though I bought it, bringing someone's bike home, riding someone else's bike, riding their style. So that's what I'm trying to encourage people out there. Even if you got something in the shed, it's been sitting there for years, dig it out, throw some new stuff at it, and you can come up with something like this. I reckon this thing's come up pretty sweet. What do you reckon, Mike? Sweet. Oof. So there's the old parts up there. Always keep your old parts, especially if they're original parts. Look like 8-inch bars. Seat. Oh, if you saw the hair spray before, forgot to mention. This stuff's the goods for putting grips on. You slide straight on and tack up within a day. They're good to go. These probably won't be far off. They've been in the sun. Yeah, nice. Alright, so what do we got here? 2008 Eastern Ramrodder. So you've got the new tyres, you've got the seat, you've got a chain, you've got bars and you've got grips. So the cost. So I always have a budget in mind that I'll try and stick to, but if you go over your budget, don't beat yourself up. Because at the end of the day, it's all about having some fun with the bikes. And creating something out of nothing. In this case, something that was on its way to the dump. So, like I said before, I've got a parts bike. Because I wanted the 2.4 tyres. So the parts bike was 20. Offered the guy 20 and he took it, so good luck for me. But so it's 2 tyres, 2 tubes, and the chain I got for 20. And the seat. The tyres, chain, seat, $20. Bars, $50 from Launton, Giant Launton. And obviously grips from there too. So the bars were 50, grips 20. So 20, 50, 20, $90. I've got a 2008 Eastern Ramrodder for $90. Even though it's 14 years old, it still looks alright. And at the end of the day, I'm happy with it. It's something I've made. And yeah, I reckon it looks cool. Alright, last thing to do. Throw one of these guys on it. Make it official. So we're gonna chuck this guy, I don't know, I reckon down here somewhere. What do you reckon there? Yeah, look, it's down there. Maybe let's tack it from this side. Just a sec, guys. These stickers are a pain in the ass. Shout out to Stickeroo, but dope stickers. A bit tricky to get off, but. Take it back. Take it back. Come on, yes, got it. I got you, dog. Alright. Man, things are empty. Oh, where can I get a picture? Oof, right there. Yeah, probably should clean it first. Clean, alright. See that? Yeah, sick. Oh man. Trying to do this through the camera. I'm gonna have to cheat. Wait a second. Oh, it's going crazy. I think I got it. Yep. Oh yeah, nailed it. Nailed it. Oof, check that out. Ramrodder is official. Right. So there you go, 2008 Eastern Ramrodder. I saved from the dump. Got it looking pretty sick, I think, anyway, for under $100. Yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. And me and Mike will see ya at the next build. Thanks for watching. See ya.